Do you know about Metaverse? Do you want to invest in it? Is investing in a virtual world where you can buy digital assets good? I thought this would only occur in movies, but it already exists. You want to be part of it? Don't worry, because this video is about Metaverse. We will talk about the basics and a beginner's guide on investing in it. Let's go! Hi, welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security all in all. Let's talk about money. Big internet giants like Facebook and Microsoft have promised to create and actualize the metaverse over the next 5 years, making it a popular topic of conversation in recent months. Facebook even went so far as to rebrand as Meta Incorporated to capitalize on the metaverse sooner. To explore this virtual environment, people must have avatars. As you engage digitally and use a variety of capabilities, you can benefit from several investment opportunities. Million-dollar real estate deals have done in the past year, which should demonstrate how serious individuals are about it. It is hardly surprising that investors want to get involved, given that the industry is expected to grow to be worth many billions of dollars. The metaverse has a variety of investment opportunities due to its tremendous growth potential. In this video, let us first discuss the basics of the metaverse, and then we will guide you on how to invest in it. Are you excited? Let's get started. What exactly is a metaverse? The metaverse is a 3D virtual reality world where each person is connected as an avatar. Similarly to how we can access various websites, people can access virtual 3D worlds online where they can interact while wearing a VR headset. The metaverse is composed of each of these virtual environments. Both digital currencies and fiat money are accepted for the purchase of digital assets in each world. What makes Metaverse a good investment? The connection to blockchain and cryptocurrencies is the primary reason for considering the possibility of the Metaverse as an appropriate platform for investing. NFTs and Metaverse crypto provide the best tools for investing in the various Metaverse platforms. On top of that, virtual property deals on metaverse platforms like Decentraland and Sandbox show the metaverse's future growth potential. Numerous leading tech corporations have begun looking into the possibility of investing in the metaverse because of its enormous potential. What is the best investment in metaverse? There are different kinds of investments in metaverse. It's not just about buying land in a digital world. Everyone is considering how to invest in metaverse cryptocurrency with the assurance of the best returns due to the metaverse's popularity. Here are the 3 common ways to invest in metaverse, and we will teach you how to invest in each of these ways. Number 1. Purchase metaverse stocks. Investing in metaverse stocks is one of the simplest methods to make money because it doesn't need the development of a digital cryptocurrency wallet or registration with a crypto exchange. You can invest in metaverse equities similarly to how you would invest in ordinary stocks by purchasing shares of businesses that promote the development of the metaverse. It is essential to keep in mind that the shares of metaverse corporations move in much the same way as those of other businesses that trade on conventional stock exchanges, if not more. Nevertheless, it is frequently a more reliable investment than buying cryptocurrency. How to invest in stocks? Step 1. Look for a reliable online broker. Having access to the stock you want to purchase requires an online broker. If you occasionally like buying extra shares, make sure your decision is inexpensive. Just remember to consider the costs, trading platform, simplicity of account opening, security, and accessible marketplaces. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. It is a comparatively straightforward procedure since it is just like opening a bank account but way easier. Step 3. Adding funds to the account. Bank transfers, credit cards, and debit cards are all acceptable account funding methods. You can deposit using electronic wallets like PayPal with other brokers as well. Step 4. Purchase shares. The final step is actually to purchase the shares. You must sign into your online brokerage account, look for the appropriate stock, select how many shares you want to buy, and then approve the payment. You can choose between a limit order and a market order to acquire the shares at the current market price. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comment section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. Number 2. Buy cryptocurrency from the Metaverse. Most Metaverse businesses either have their own digital currency or use one already existing. So purchasing Metaverse cryptocurrency is another option to make money. To facilitate the transition of the world to the virtual world, cryptocurrencies were established as one reason. New decentralized and centralized solutions will develop over time along with their related cryptocurrencies. Depending on their performance, these solutions may eventually expose further investment opportunities. People who invest in the Metaverse must be curious and constantly investigate new possibilities. How to buy crypto from Metaverse? Step 1. Create a crypto wallet. Just like you require money to buy actual goods, you'll need a wallet to make any purchases in the Metaverse. Make a crypto wallet and ensure it is filled with the money you need to invest in the Metaverse. Step 2. Select a platform. The next step is to sign up for the platform of your choice. In this case, Coinbase or Binance would be suitable platforms. Step 3. Choose the token you want to invest in. After that, you can buy the tokens directly using the funds in your wallet by going to a specific cryptocurrency trading platform. The main token for the Axie Infinity Metaverse is AXS, while other tokens to take into consideration include MANA, the principal money for Decentraland, and SAND for the Sandbox universe. Number 3. Buying NFTs. Making, purchasing, or selling non-fungible tokens or NFTs, which are ownership certificates stored on the blockchain, is an additional option to contribute to the Metaverse's expansion. Since the discussion of the Metaverse began a few months ago, they have also grown in popularity. Users can create digital products directly in the VR environment using apps like VR Chat and virtual markets. For instance, Nike is producing NFTs of its items and has established its own virtual Nike Land. VR art galleries are another excellent example of where investors can purchase digital art in NFTs. How can you buy NFTs? If you have joined the hype of Axie Infinity before, maybe you are already familiar with this process. Step 1. Open a crypto wallet. Before you can buy anything in the Metaverse, you need a crypto wallet. Make a cryptocurrency wallet, then add funds to it. Step 2. Select a platform. Creating an account on the platform of your choice is the next step. When using NFTs, you must first sign up for an account with the game where you plan to make purchases. Only then can you link your crypto wallet to your account. One of the greatest platforms is OpenSea, which makes it easy to access all NFTs in a shared marketplace and is very user-friendly. Step 3. Purchasing the NFT. The third and final step is to decide which NFT you want to use and to authorize payment. Keep in mind that there are no fixed selling prices for these tokens, so you must bid and win to obtain an NFT. Then you'll grab your wallet and immediately pay for it. Other ways to invest in crypto include acquiring Metaverse land. Metaverse land is often sold as NFTs. You can also invest in Metaverse exchange-traded funds or ETF and rent or buy Metaverse buildings. The popularity of the Metaverse is just beginning. With the potential money creation it brings, you shouldn't fall behind. We hope you will start your path to financial freedom now that you have learned about the common ways you can invest in the Metaverse. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think the Metaverse is good for the economy? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.